There's a huge debate raging in medicine right now. Could AI actually replace radiologists? So let's start with this pretty bold claim from the CEO of America's largest public hospital.
So the whole argument is that AI could read scans, saving a ton of money and time. And it's not just him. You've got big tech CEOs saying, yeah, the AI's ready. But this whole proposal, it's created a huge, immediate split right down the middle of medicine. Doctors? Well, they fired back hard. They said this would literally harm and kill patients. One neuroradiologist even called the claims sheer, unadulterated fiction, just pure ignorance. On forums, doctors were cynical. This Reddit quote really sums up how they see it. Okay, so let's cut through the noise. What's the reality of AI in clinics today? Take a look at this number, 1,104. That's the number of AI radiology tools that have actually been cleared by the FDA. I mean, the growth here is just exploding. And as you can see, radiology isn't just part of the AI boom, it's dominating it. But, and this is the key, these tools are built to assist doctors, not replace them. Yeah, and professional organizations are crystal clear. A human has to sign off on AI's findings. Okay, besides safety, there's a huge legal problem, right? Who gets sued when the AI messes up? Well, one study found that if an AI spots something and a doctor misses it, juries are tougher on the doctor. They're calling it an AI penalty, and it makes the whole legal situation for doctors way trickier. So what would it actually take for AI to go from assistant to, the mean Rita? Right now, the consensus is pretty clear. AI is an amazing tool, but it's not a replacement. Which really brings the whole debate down to a personal question. Would you trust it?